Morning students. Today's topic is hardware and software. Students, as you know, a computer system consists of hardware and software. Hardware includes the physical part of the computer system, whereas software are the programs that are used to perform tasks. Hardware refers to the physical element of the computer that can be touched or seen. Software. Software consists of series of instructions that tells the hardware of a computer what to do and how to do it. There are two types of software. These are system software and application software. So what is system software? System software is a set of programs that tells the computer what to do with the system and programs. Example, system software is further classified into three types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Students, now we will learn about each of them properly. So what is operating system? An operating system is the most important software without which you cannot work on the computer. It is a software that tells you, it is a software which helps you to give instruction and get your work done on the computer. A computer cannot work without an operating system. So, students, when you buy a computer from the market, an operating system is already loaded onto it. So, some of the example of operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Mac operating system, Android, and iOS. So students, Microsoft Windows and Mac operating system, these operating systems are used in the desktop computer, and Android and iOS, these operating systems are used in the mobile phones. So now we will learn about language processor. So students, software is created by programs written in computer language. There are many computer languages such as C, C++, Python and Java. Students, as you know, a computer is an electronic machine which only can understand the machine language. So students, language processor is a type of software that translates or converts the program written in computer language into machine language so that it can be understood by the computers. Now what is utility software? Utility software is an app program that is designed to perform maintenance or housekeeping work on a computer system in order to ensure its smooth functioning. Example of utility software are antivirus software, now students, we have learned about system software. Now we will learn about application software. So what is application software? Students, application software is developed in keeping in mind the application software is a set of programs which help the user to perform a specific task. They may be installed on the computer depend upon the user's requirement. So, application software can further be classified into two types, and these are general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. So, students, what is general purpose application software? So, students, general purpose application softwares are basically developed keeping in mind the general needs and requirements of the user of a large number of users. For example, example of general purpose application software are Microsoft processing window, so students, some examples of general purpose application software are Microsoft processing software, and these type of software are used for creating text-based documents. For example, stories, story writing, letter, and reports. So the next example of general purpose application software is DBMS. DBMS, that is database management system. So database management system is a software program that allows you to store a large amount of data in an organized manner. A DBMS can store details about the employees, customers, products, and so on. So, students, now we will learn about the another type of application software, that is specific purpose application software. So, specific purpose application software are developed keeping in mind the specific requirements of the user. So, example of specific purpose application software are reservations system used at the airport and railway station, payroll system used by the organization, and billing system used in the supermarkets. Thank you, students. Now I just finished my class here. I'll give you some assignment after this video that you will have to do as a homework. Thank you.